My nails are like mad crusty. I took my acrylics off earlier and they just look so like weak. That's why the camera won't like really focus on them because they look so bad. The camera's like,
what is that?
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you this like summer to fall cut crease. Half cut crease, really beat, really cute, like full glam. Full coverage, full beat, full glam look. If you guys want to see how I did this beautiful look, then keep on watching.
Fuck it, check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress, got a nigga so impressed. Come out to the west, you say that's a bet. Wish I had a jet, get you here faster. Been on one before, must be fucking with a rapper. I knew you was with it when you drove out to Atlanta. I knew you was different when you spoke to me, your grammar eloquent in manner. Yeah, that shit attractive and you nasty. Told me come break your back in. What's poppin' later, we got action. No distraction, know a place that we could crash in. Know a place that we could crash in. A place where we could get there. I know a place, honey, what you asking? Baby, tell me what you asking. Sticky slow like molasses. Anything you want, you can have it. Honey, you a bad bitch. They don't know what I know. They don't see what I see. You know bitches gon' hate on you constantly. Say the things you bought, you probably got from me. That's nonsense, we don't listen to nonsense. Get it on her own, no she don't need a sponsor. Yeah mama, get your bread mama. Look so innocent but she a head monster. She could get whoever swag, gotta lay it proper. But you could still call me young papa. Take trips with me, nothing's what it's gonna cost you. Next time we hit New York, we need a loft, yeah. Then that ass so soft. Handful of your hair, I'll pull it when I break you off. Get it however you want, Chuck. Look at you, baby, you daughter. Don't be modest, you get all this. Tell me what you asking. Know a place that we could crash in. A place where we could get there. I know a place, honey, what you asking? Sticky slow like molasses. Anything you want, you can have it. Honey, you a bad bitch.
Look, I know girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of admirers that call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I am not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name.
If no one is around you, say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name, say my name. If no one is around you.
Ernest GQ, got you on this, fucking haters.
Who told you crying would solve it? Girl, feel free to stop venting, it's okay, I'm here to listen. I've been here from the beginning, swear my love.
I want to tell you guys about this meme I saw that said girls that can put on their lashes like without tweezers can fight, and it is the funniest thing that Twitter has ever given us.
I wanna be more than a shoulder you can cry on. Girl, am I your type or do I not have the right to know? The saddest old girl. Say my name, say my name. When no one is around you, say baby I love you, I'm ready for a change. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. Say it baby, say it baby, say it baby. When no one is around you.
Yeah. Say my name, 'cause those other men are practice.